This is the secret hotels use to keep their mattresses perfectly clean. Since I discovered this trick, my mattress has stayed spotless, disinfected, and smelling fresh. In a large bowl, add 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. It's well known for its disinfecting and antibacterial properties, removing microbes while neutralizing unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. This helps dissolve dirt and makes cleaning more effective. Then add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt has antibacterial and antifungal properties, absorbs moisture, and eliminates bad smells. The next ingredient is baking soda, a natural deodorizer that absorbs moisture while gently cleaning and refreshing. Finally, pour in 1 cup of water and mix well. Take a clean towel, soak it in the mixture, and squeeze out the excess liquid. Place the slightly damp towel on the mattress. Wrap a hairdryer with the towel and use it only on low power, always making sure the fabric is damp, not wet. This method deeply cleans the mattress, removes bacteria, freshens it up, and restores a pleasant scent. Give this simple trick a try. Put black pepper under your bed. It might sound like it doesn't make any sense, but it actually makes a lot of sense. This is a really clever trick that can solve many of your problems. All you need is 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns. Toss the pepper into a grinder and grind it up. Freshly ground pepper from a grinder has a better aroma than pre-ground pepper you buy at the store. Now, sprinkle the pepper around the windowsills, door frames, and even on your table. But the most important place to focus on is your bed. For a long-lasting effect, take some aluminum foil, place the pepper in the foil, fold it up, and then use a toothpick to poke holes in the packet. This way, the aroma will seep out through the holes, and you'll avoid making a mess. Place this packet under your bed. It also works perfectly in your wardrobe. In a moment, I'll explain why. Another effective method is to mix the pepper with warm water. Take a jug of warm water and add the pepper. Let it sit for 24 hours, then strain the mixture through a filter. Use a funnel to pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Now, here's what it's for. Black pepper has a strong aroma that repels all sorts of insects like mosquitoes, wasps, moths, ants, bed bugs, and many others. Additionally, if the neighbor's cat does its business in your garden, you can spray the area with this pepper water solution. This mixture also deters mice and rats. As you can see, pepper has many uses beyond the kitchen. Here's the secret to a clean mattress. Stains and dirt disappear immediately, and dust mites, mold, and fungi are eliminated. Mattress companies don't want you to know about this. With this simple trick, your mattress will last for years. You'll need a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to it. Baking soda will be responsible for eliminating germs and bacteria. Next, add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, preferably white. Grab some fabric softener and add 2 tablespoons to the bowl. Mix everything well. Finally, add water and mix it again. Dip a clean towel or cloth into the mixture. Wring out any excess liquid so the towel is damp but not soaked. Lay the towel on the mattress. Place an iron wrapped in the towel on top of the mixture. Iron the mattress with the towel-covered iron. There's no need to dry the mattress in the sun. Ironing the mixture will dry it instantly. Now your mattress is clean, dry, fresh, and free from bacteria. Place this foil above your bed, and you won't believe what happens. Start by preparing a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of dark powder. I'll explain what it is and why it's worth using. Next, add a tablespoon of rosemary, known for its amazing aromatherapeutic properties. Then, mix in a tablespoon of dried lavender, which soothes, calms, and promotes better sleep. Stir the ingredients well, wrap them in aluminum foil, and poke small holes with a toothpick to release the scent gradually. Place this bowl under or next to your bed. If you prefer, simply sprinkle a spoonful of the mixture onto a piece of foil, fold it into a small pouch, and make a few tiny holes. The dark powder from the beginning of the video is ground cloves, a natural way to improve air quality, ease breathing, and reduce allergy symptoms. Hang the pouch above your bed or tuck it under your pillow. The soothing aroma will work all night, creating a relaxing atmosphere. This natural freshener not only enhances sleep quality, but also purifies the air, repels insects, and fills the room with a calming scent. Give it a try. Do you sleep with socks on? You should know something because it's not insignificant. Sleeping in socks is a topic that sparks different opinions, hiding many secrets and surprising insights. Here are a few. First of all, wearing socks improves circulation, which benefits your health. Additionally, people who sleep in socks fall asleep on average 15 minutes faster. Warm feet also enhance blood flow to reproductive organs, which can boost libido. Socks help reduce stress, creating a feeling of comfort and security, which promotes relaxation. Moreover, if you apply a moisturizing cream to your feet before bed and then put on socks, your skin will be soft and smooth. Socks also stabilize body temperature, which is crucial for healthy sleep. On colder days, they keep your feet warm, allowing for a more peaceful sleep. It's worth trying this simple change to improve the quality of your rest. Put cloves under the bed. Start using them not only in the kitchen. This spice has more uses than you think. However, few people take advantage of them. Have you ever used cloves on the windowsill? Or by the door? Have you ever tried keeping them under the bed? This application of cloves will solve many problems in the house. And you'll regret not knowing about it earlier. Just 1 tablespoon of cloves is enough. Grind them in a grinder or blender. This will extract a more intense fragrance from them. Transfer the ground cloves to a bowl. Sprinkle a pinch of cloves on the windowsill, by the wall. Also, sprinkle them in front of the front door or the entrance from the terrace. Instead of sprinkling cloves, you can place a bowl with them in these places. Leave them on the windowsill, by the front door, or under the bed. You can mix ground cloves with warm water. After some time, strain them through gauze into a spray bottle. You can spray such water in places where insects and bugs appear. Cloves repel ants, wasps, silverfish, bedbugs, and even spiders. You can also get rid of cats from the garden. Just spray the ground with water with cloves. You can also spray your skin to repel mosquitoes. As you can see, cloves will come in handy wherever you don't want pests and insects. Only this type of women sleeps like this. We will explain what it means. The answer will surely surprise you a little. During nighttime rest, we cannot control our bodies. Often, all the emotions we hide during the day come out. Find out what sleeping with a duvet between your legs means. Only one type of woman sleeps with a duvet placed between her legs. This way of sleeping requires lying comfortably on one side. Women who choose this way of falling asleep are perceived as authoritative and despotic. They exhibit great self-confidence. Moreover, they are decisive and never give up. Usually, people around them see them as warriors and typical tough girls. Often, it turns out that beneath the tough exterior hides a sensitive and very emotional person. Such a woman often curls up alone and has a great need for cuddling. That's why she grabs the duvet that is at hand and squeezes it between her legs. It's worth mentioning that sleeping on your side with a duvet or pillow between your legs is good for your spine. In this position, the hips and knees do not twist, but remain parallel. This way, they relieve the muscles and joints, helping to eliminate pain.